Bartholomew is traditionally identified with Nathanael, who features in our Gospel today. Jesus pays him a lovely compliment. Here is an Israelite, incapable of deceit, or in whom there is no deceit. Jesus admires his openness and honesty, even his dusty opinion about Nazareth. Can anything good come out of Nazareth? Was at least an honest opinion. It was what he believed. Nathanael went on to recognize that his honest opinion about Nazareth was a mistaken one. He came to see that Jesus from Nazareth was none other than the Son of God and the King of Israel. It takes generosity of heart and spirit to recognize when we have got it wrong and recognize that our opinion of some person or place was based on our prejudices rather than on reality. Nathanael's honesty and generosity of heart can inspire us then on his feast day. The final word of the Gospel, however, is given to Jesus, not to Nathanael. It takes the form of that wonderful promise Jesus makes to him. You will see greater things. You will see heaven laid open, and above the Son of Man, the angels of God ascending and descending. We may have a certain insight into Jesus, a certain appreciation of him, like Nathanael. But Jesus assures us that there is so much more to see and appreciate. In our relationship with Jesus, we are always only towards the beginning of our journey. There are always greater things to see, that we learn to be generous in following Jesus. Let's pray for this gift for one another.